In this video, we are going to see how we can fix and solve this error. This file does not have an app associated with it. For performing this action, please install an app. If one is already installed, create an association in the default app settings section or page. So let's see how we can quickly resolve this in Windows 11, 10 or any operating system you have. First of all, just press Windows plus R on your keyboard, which will open run for you, or otherwise just go to the start menu and write here run. And we need to write here regedit. This is the spellings. Hit enter, click yes. After that, you just need to use the two commands that I will mention in the description of this video. I've already copied the first command. That is this one. So I've copied that. Paste it in this URL that is at the top right here. Paste that up, hit enter, and it will go directly in the associated area. From here, you just use IsShortcut. Right click on this, click delete. If it asks you for the confirmation, are you sure? Click yes. And then we create a new one by just copying and pasting this one, which is IsShortcut. Right click here, click on new, click on key. Right click here, click on new, click on string value. Rename this by pasting this name, hit enter, and just close out of here. After that, you might need to restart your PC in order for it to work perfectly. And then you will notice that your error should be gone without any problem. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.